Good afternoon, everyone. Last day we have discussed about the fundamentals of lines and angles. Today we will solve few problems related to this chapter. So, problems related to lines and angles. The first question, though I have given you the complete solution, still some methodologies are to be discussed for your convenience. Now, number 1, 2, see your copy, the same question I have solved it here. Number 1, 2, find the supplement of 108 degree, 48 minutes and 32 seconds. What is the relation between degree, minute and second? Last day I have already discussed, today I am once again repeating. 1 degree equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So, we are to find out the supplement of this particular angle. Now, solution is supplement of 108 degree, 48 minutes, 32 seconds will be equal to subtract that from 180 degree. So, here only 180 degree is given, from which we are to subtract 108 degree, 48 minutes, 32 seconds. The question is, how shall we subtract it? It is very simple. Take 1 degree from 180 degree. So, remaining is equal to 180 minus 1 equal to 179 degree. Instead of 180 degree, we are to write in this way. So, 1 degree is taken out. So, remaining is 179 degree. Now, 1 minute, in 1 degree there are 60 minutes. So, write it here 59 minutes. And again 1 minute is left. So, convert it into seconds, that is equal to 60 seconds. And below it, write whose supplement is to be obtained, 108 degree, 48 minutes, 32 seconds. Now, simple subtraction is there. This is 10 minus 2 equal to 8, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, 9 minus 8 equal to 1, 5 minus 4 equal to 1, 9 minus 8 equal to 1, and this is 7 minus 0 equal to 7, 1 minus 1 gets cancelled. So, it is 71 degree, 11 minute, 28 seconds. Likewise, for one example is taken for finding out the complement in the same way, and to find out the complement of this, again we are to subtract it from 90. So, complement of 68 degree, 35 minutes, 45 seconds equal to 90 minus the same. Now, again from 90 degree, we shall take out 1 degree, remaining is equal to 89 degree, 90 minus 1, and 1 minute is to be converted into minute. So, 1 degree equal to 60 minutes. So, we shall write it in the form of 59 minutes plus 1 minute, and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Then subtract it from 68 degree from 89 degree, 59 minutes, 60 seconds. And again simple subtraction, 60 minus 45 is 15, 59 minus 35, 24, and 89 minus 68 equal to 21 degree. So, this is your complement of the given angle. Again number 4 in your paper, find the angle whose complement is 1/3 of its supplement. So, we are to find out the angle. Angle is suppose x degree, then whose complement will be 90 minus x, and equation will be formed whose complement is equal to 90 minus x is the complement equal to 1/3 of its supplement. So, 1/3 supplement is equal to 180 minus x. So, this is the equation. We have written here 90 minus x retaining on the LHS and divided by 3, 180 by 3 equal to 60 minus x by 3. Now, 90 transpose 60 towards the left, 90 minus 60 transpose x towards the right. So, minus x becomes plus x minus x by 3. 90 minus 60 equal to 30 equal to, taking 3 LCM, this is 3x minus x equal to 2x by 3, and then 2x equal to 90 cross multiplication, and then x equal to 45 degree. So, this is your question number 4. Now, few more problems are to be solved. Now see your question number 12, which is unsolved. I have given it to solve. Few problems I have solved and few unsolved problems are given. Out of that unsolved problems, I have taken two of them, that is 12 number and 15 number. 12 number is find the angle if 11 times its complement is 10 degree greater than 3 times its supplement. So that means we have to find out that angle. So let the angle be equal to x degree. Then according to the question, we have to frame the equation. What is that question is, which is more? 11 times its complement is 10 degree greater. That means 11 times its complement is greater by 10 degree with respect to 3 times its supplement. That means the difference of 11 times complement and 3 times supplement must be equal to 10 degree, because 11 times its complement is 10 degree greater. Therefore, this part is greater than this part. Therefore, we have to take the difference of these two. 11 times of the complement of x is minus 3 times its supplement 180 minus x equal to 10 degree. So in this way, from the given problem, we have to frame the equation. After framing the equation, it is very simple to solve it in a single variable. X is the single variable. So we shall get the value of x which is required. Find the angle, let the angle be x. So x is required here. So this is 11 into 90, 990, minus 11x, minus 180 into 3, 540, minus x, minus 3. A product is equal to plus 3x equal to 10, minus 8x, minus 11x plus 3x. So the variable, while we are solving the equation, always keep the variable towards the left hand side and transpose all constant terms toward the right hand side. So minus 11x and plus 3x are these two variables. So if they are added together, minus 11x is greater, so difference will be taken. Minus 11 plus 3 is equal to minus 8x. Then 540 is transposed towards the right hand side, becomes plus 540, plus 10 is already there, and minus 990. So minus 8x equal to, if you subtract it, this is 540 together, the positive two numbers is 540 plus 10, 550, and negative number is 990, which is greater than 550. So subtract it once again, it will be equal to 440, and since negative is greater, minus sign is placed. Minus minus gets cancelled, so x will be equal to 440 by 8. If you divide it, it will be equal to 55 degree. So which is required? Find the angle, so x is 55 degree. Next question is question number 15 in unsolved part. The question is, two complementary angles are in the ratio of 19:11. Two angles are given whose ratio is 19:11 and they are complementary angles. So find the angles. So here, since ratio is given, that means there may be some HCF between these two. This is 19 by 11. So it is reduced form. So there may be some common part which is taken as x. So let x be the HCF of the two complementary angles. Two complementary angles are to be obtained. So if x is the HCF, then the angles will be 19x and 11x. So their sum will be equal to 90 because they are complement of each other. If they are supplement of each other, we have to write here 180 degree. But because they are complement of each other, so their sum should be equal to 90 degree. 19 plus 11 equal to 30x equal to 19. Get the value of x as 3. And the angles are 19x and 11x. Multiply it by 19 into 3, because x equal to 3 equal to 57 degree. 11x is the second angle. 11 into 3 is 33 degree. So these two are the complement of each other. If you find their sum, 7 plus 3, 10, 0, 5 plus 3, 8 plus 1 carrying, that is equal to 90. So, these two angles are required. Now, if you have any doubt related to the problems on this particular chapter, lines and angles, you point it out, because I will be also with the paper. So, if you tell me the page number and some number, I can solve instantly to give you the solution of that particular question. Or even if you are to ask few questions from any reference book or NCERT or from anywhere, you can ask from those books. I can give you the solution instantly on the board. It will be shown to your screen. Thank you for today very much.